Hi, good evening. Good afternoon, I'm sorry.
Good afternoon for you. Good morning for me.
Oh, okay. So where are you presently based out of?
Okay, basically, I'm from Middle East in a country
Oh,
called
great.
Iraq.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. So what is the time there presently?
It's 10:10
Oh,
in the
okay.
morning.
Okay. All right. Great. So you must have read about me. I live in Mumbai, India, and it is around it's close to 1. It's 12:45 12:45 p.m. in the afternoon. So I think you are running a few hours behind, right? So
Yeah, I guess like 2 hours
yes,
and a
2 hours,
half.
2.5 hours. Right.
Yeah.
So nice meeting you. What brings you on Clapingo?
Thank you so much. Actually, Clapingo has been inviting me to this platform to
Okay.
promote Clapingo and in Clapingo services.
Oh, great.
Because I'm a YouTuber and I used to post my conversation videos on YouTube. So
Okay. That's great.
actually, to show my people my experience in speaking in English
Right.
and to inspire and motivate uh,
Correct.
the other people who
Right.
they are still struggling to speak in English. So
Right. That's a
you
great
know,
thing.
yeah,
Right.
that's why
How
I'm
so how long have you been doing this, creating content for your YouTube videos?
Um, I started the posting my videos since 2000 2000 when the pandemic started. Yeah, actually, 2000, the late months of 2019.
2019. Okay. But
Yeah,
I think the pandemic has only given a push to it because a lot of people wanted to, do pursue online courses and learn English online. So it must have given your work also a push forward.
yeah. When the pandemic started, yeah, so many people started to started to learn online.
Hmm.
Yeah, before this era, actually, a lot of people they don't like to be online and teaching
Right.
or learning. But
Right.
when the pandemic started, I guess so many people
Yes.
they like the idea of teaching
They at
online.
least, yes, they were open to exploring it because they didn't have much choice earlier. I mean, they did have a lot of choice earlier, but with the pandemic, they didn't have much choice. So they were open to exploring options, learning, taking on online courses, and watching YouTube videos. A lot of them I know watch videos on YouTube in order to, apart from joining sessions on Clappingo, they want to watch YouTube videos at their own pace and whenever they feel like. So that's also a big advantage that they get on YouTube. They can record a video or they can also watch a video at their own pace.
Yeah.
That has really helped a lot of people. So well, tell me a little bit more about yourself. You live there with your family?
Yeah, actually, I have my own house.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I have a bachelor's degree in English literature.
Oh, great.
I got this degree like 14 years ago.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and I didn't work with teaching field
Mm-hmm.
because at that time I didn't like to teach English
Mm-hmm.
or let's say teaching in general.
Right.
Um, but now, actually, I'm love to teach English. I have passion about English and
Mm-hmm.
to deliver the information
Lectures.
in my head to my students.
Right.
So yeah,
That's great. That's good to know.
this is something. Yeah, this is something about me. Now I'm working with technology.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, and I yeah.
Okay, that's
Technology
great.
always fascinated me.
Yes. And technology is something which has been a binding factor for us during the pandemic. It has brought people closer. It has made things easier. Like when schools
Yeah,
and colleges had shut down, with the in my country and many other countries, we still went on with our education. We went ahead with our education thanks to technology and online classes that were held. So yes, technology is now an indispensable part of our lives, as we say. Right. So, what kind of preparation do you do before creating a video on YouTube? Do you have to prepare for the content, like kind of like we do for before giving a lecture? We go through our notes once, perhaps, or at least mentally have a few things planned as to what we'll discuss during the lecture. Is it similar, something similar? Because in YouTube, you don't have an active audience in front of you.
You you mean like I'm thinking about the video before I hear the session.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. I used to do that. For example, like I said, I graduated 14 years ago, so I almost forgot English language. I barely like remember some words and ABC like the alphabet. Okay.
Right.
So I started to improve my English. Yeah, and then started to improve my speaking skills, and as well as the pronunciation, how to shape a sentence. Okay, so in the first 5 months, for example, I was just like speaking to explore. I explored myself and how I want to uh, to talk about something that I love, to express myself. So those
few
months
months
was
building your confidence, right?
Exactly. Yeah, I was building my confidence, and then I started to create my own content, which is today I want to improve for example, my prepositions. Okay, so I'm gonna ask my tutors to help me with this topic.
So do you work with a team or do you work completely on your own?
Actually, I work alone. I don't have someone helping me with this YouTube channel.
So you do the technical part as well, all by yourself, editing and everything which comes.
Yeah, editing and shooting and like posting. You know, when you post the YouTube videos, you have to.
There are some specifications and
exactly like the keywords, the title and subtitle.
And what would be what would be the thumbnail? You have to select the thumbnail so that that would really determine how many what is that called as how many clicks you will get for your video, and then the like. The thumbnail is also very important. So I think one has to determine the picture or the first impression. Thumbnail is the first impression that you give out to your audience. So even that has to be, I think, determined.
Yeah, I am the one. Actually, I am the one. When it comes on thumbnails, I have many ads for thumbnails, especially those who like make you like you really want to click on this video. Especially the title. The title always like get you click on this video.
Yes. Right. Should be catchy. Yes, the title also matters a lot. And we have also seen, like, I'm just talking from the other perspective as an audience on YouTube, that some of the thumbnails can be quite misleading also. You click on it and then you realize it's quite different from what the thumbnail is. So sometimes even that is the case, right? I mean, some thumbnails can be quite
exactly. Yeah. Sometimes I have the session with my tutors, and I think about what will I put on my subtitle on my title, YouTube video's title. So I take the whole idea from that video. Sorry, and I put the title according to this conversation.
Right. Which a title which would be sort of a representation of what the video is about. It should not be something which is very different from what the video talks about, like you're saying. So do you have a group of tutors that help you out creating the video and all? Or like who is the one who is talking in the video? Is it you talking about?
Just like now, like me and my tutor, I discuss with them about English language, or sometimes about like different field of the life, anything else.
Right. But what kind of response do you get normally? Is it generally do you get positive response for your videos, or do you get some, not negative, I would say, but some suggestions also sometimes this audience wants to make after watching your video? So do you take their suggestions too, or do you?
Yeah, in these social media apps, you can say anything. You can harm the influencer, and you can give them like a positive vibes. So it depends on the the audience themselves.
Right.
I get some negative like comments, and I'm
That's a part and
sometimes
parcel, I think, of every work. The feedback can always be negative and positive both.
I'm positive. Yeah, some
Perception.
people they suggest like to do another videos for another topics, because as I said, they are learning from my videos. So I'm ready to like listen to
Create
them.
more content, yes,
Uh,
and
uh,
create more content for them.
exactly. Yeah.
Mhm. So I think if the criticism is constructive, which you can work on and which will help you to grow, then that is fine. But sometimes criticism is just for the sake of it. That okay, I have to this really perhaps there is too much of positivity floating around. So yeah, some people just want to say it in a just to break that the chain. I don't know. So could be the case.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, some people sometimes they are bullying at my face, at my nose, like, hey, you've got a like a big nose. Okay, guys, I'm not I'm not here for
Right.
showing you as my face. I'm here like to teach you a lesson or to give you the
Right.
advantages. Yeah.
So it
So
depends on
yeah,
the perception and the mindset. I think it's completely true. In fact, not just online. If you take sessions offline, like I do,
yeah,
teach lessons at the university and college level. So they're also, of course, they don't tell you upfront, but I'm sure they have this thing going on in their mind that okay, they focus on something else. So that's
yeah.
parcel or something.
Exactly. Yeah, they talk between them
Right.
about the tutor, or yeah.
Yes.
It's
And
normal. Yeah,
right. And sometimes what happens is that I've seen this a lot, that many students, if when you are making a suggestion to them, they might take it personally also. Like they don't want to focus on the suggestion, but the fact that why you have suggested it is not something, I mean, they take it personally. So sometimes that also backfires. So teachers have to put up with that also. They have to just do our duty of teaching the subject well.